Men over 60, 3 morning habits that boost energy, vitality, and bedroom performance. For many men over 60, mornings don't always feel like a fresh start. You might wake up sluggish, stiff, or just not quite yourself. Maybe your energy dips by mid-morning, or your focus doesn't last the way it used to. And let's be honest, when vitality fades in the morning, it often fades in the bedroom too. But what if just a few small shifts in your morning routine could reset your entire day and your masculinity? The truth is, as we age, our hormones, energy systems, and even our mental drive begin to shift. Testosterone levels decline, circulation slows, and stress, both physical and emotional, tends to stick around longer. But what doesn't change is your body's ability to respond to the right signals. And your morning habits, they are the most powerful signals you can send. Done right, they wake up your metabolism, support your hormone levels, and set the tone for stronger energy, mental clarity, and yes, better performance where it counts. Today, we'll reveal 3 simple but powerful morning habits that every man over 60 can adopt. These aren't fads or gimmicks. They're based on how your biology works and how to work with it. And if you stick with them, you'll notice your body slowly coming back to life in ways you haven't felt in years. Let's start with the first habit, morning sunlight exposure. This may sound too simple to matter, but hear me out. Getting direct sunlight in the morning within the first 30 to 60 minutes of waking has a dramatic effect on your body's internal clock. This light tells your brain it's time to wake up, sharpens focus, and boosts mood-enhancing hormones like serotonin. But more importantly, for men over 60, sunlight stimulates your body's natural production of testosterone and vitamin D. Vitamin D isn't just for bones, it's a key player in male hormone health. In fact, low vitamin D levels are strongly linked to low testosterone and reduced libido. And many older men are unknowingly deficient, especially if they spend most mornings indoors. Just 10 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight, not through a window, but actually outside, can begin to restore your natural hormonal rhythm and improve energy, mood, and performance. You don't need to sunbathe or take long walks. Simply step outside, face the sky, and let the light in. You can combine it with deep breathing, a short stretch, or even your morning coffee. Think of it as nature's morning reset button, subtle, powerful, and completely free. Now let's move to the second habit, hydration with electrolytes and a hormone-supporting boost. Most men wake up slightly dehydrated. After 6-8 hours of sleep, your body has lost water through breathing and sweat, and dehydration even mildly leads to fatigue, poor circulation, mental fog, and sluggish metabolism. That's the last thing you want when trying to feel energized and sexually vibrant. But here's the key. Don't just drink plain water. Add minerals like a pinch of sea salt or a squeeze of lemon. These electrolytes help your body actually absorb and use the water, keeping your cells hydrated and your blood flowing. You can even take it a step further by adding a small teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, which supports digestion and insulin sensitivity, or a scoop of greens powder to nourish your cells and alkalize your system. Drinking this mineral-rich water first thing in the morning helps flush out toxins, rehydrates the blood, and wakes up your digestive system, all of which support better energy and hormonal balance. And when your circulation and digestion improve, so does your bedroom performance. You'll feel more alert, more balanced, and more connected to your body throughout the day. Aim for a large glass, about 16 to 20 ounces, as soon as you wake up. Do this before coffee, and you'll notice a major shift in how quickly you feel awake, alert, and ready for the day. It's a small habit with big returns. Now let's dive into the third habit, and this one may surprise you. It's called pelvic activation plus mindful movement, and it only takes 5-10 minutes. Many men over 60 lose vitality not just from aging, but from stagnation, especially in the lower body and pelvic region. Poor circulation, weak core muscles, and a lack of movement lead to poor performance and low confidence. But you can reverse this by waking up your body the right way. Start with a 2-minute pelvic floor activation. This means doing a set of Kegel exercises, just like you're gently squeezing the muscles you'd use to stop urine flow. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Do this for about 10 reps. This strengthens the muscles responsible for urinary control, erection firmness, and endurance. It's subtle but powerful, and no one will even know you're doing it. Next, follow up with gentle stretching and bodyweight movement. Just a few minutes of deep squats, hip circles, cat-cow stretches, or forward bends. These movements increase blood flow to your core, hips, and groin area, opening up space in the very parts of your body that support bedroom function. They also improve posture and stimulate the nervous system, helping your brain feel more energized and alert. Over time, this combination of pelvic activation and mindful movement will make you feel stronger from the inside out. Your posture will improve, your confidence will grow, and your sense of masculine energy, your spark, will start to come back. Let's take a moment to step back. These 3 morning habits, sunlight, hydration with minerals, and mindful movement, might sound basic, but they target the core systems behind male vitality: hormones, circulation, nervous system balance, and physical strength. And when those systems are supported, your body starts working with you again, not against you. These habits aren't about chasing youth. They're about reclaiming your power as a man in this chapter of life, feeling more present, more connected to your body, more in control of your energy and desire, not just in the bedroom, but in everything you do. And the best part, these habits are sustainable. You don't need a gym membership, special equipment, or a complicated plan. Just consistency and intention. So here's how you can start tomorrow. Wake up, drink a tall glass of mineral-rich water with a pinch of salt and lemon. Step outside and get 10 minutes of morning sunlight while you stretch or breathe deeply. Then do a few rounds of Kegels and light movement, just enough to feel your body wake up. That's it. 3 habits, 15 minutes total, and you're setting yourself up for a day and a life of strength, clarity, and lasting vitality. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these morning habits do you already practice or plan to try? Have you noticed how your mornings affect your performance and energy throughout the day? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your story might help another man make a change that transforms his life. And if this video gave you value, if it helped spark a shift in your thinking, please give it a like. It helps the video reach more men just like you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because in our next video, we'll be sharing evening rituals that prepare your body for better sleep, deeper recovery, and natural testosterone support while you rest. You've still got power inside you, and when you start your mornings with purpose, that power only grows stronger. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just begin with one new habit and watch how it builds momentum. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.